Beneath the shimmering surface of our coastlines lies an unsung hero that acts as a fortress against the relentless power of the ocean. Today, we're diving into why seagrass is the ultimate natural shield against coastal erosion and why our beaches would wash away without it. You'll learn how these underwater meadows function as biological engineers for our planet. Seagrass works by using its dense, intertwined root systems, known as rhizomes, to physically bind loose sediment together. Think of it as an underwater net that locks the seafloor in place, preventing currents and tides from pulling sand away. When waves hit a shoreline, the energy is usually destructive, but seagrass blades act a forest canopy, physically slowing the water's flow. By reducing wave velocity, the grass forces suspended sand to drop out of the water and settle back onto the bottom. This process effectively builds up the coastline rather than letting it erode. Beyond holding the ground, seagrass creates a self-sustaining cycle of protection as the blades slow down the water. They also trap floating organic matter, which builds up the seabed elevation over time. It's a counterintuitive reality. A plant that lives underwater is responsible for keeping the dry land above it from disappearing into the sea. Even more impressive, this process acts as a massive carbon sink, locking away CO2 while physically stabilizing the very foundation of our coastal ecosystems. Remarkably, these meadows can be up to 35 times more efficient at storing carbon than tropical rainforests, making them vital for climate stability. But there's a hidden danger threatening these defenses that could leave our coastlines defenseless. We will look at that vulnerability in just a moment. Seagrass is the unsung architect of our coastlines, anchoring the earth and calming the waves to maintain the delicate balance between land and sea. Protecting these underwater forests isn't just about saving plants, it's about securing the future of our shores against rising tides. If you learned something new about our blue planet, hit the button and subscribe for more deep dives into nature's most effective solutions. With your thoughts on how we can better protect these vital underwater meadows.